think that the opposite of success is fail. But no, fail is part of success. It's not the opposite.
Magandang araw mga kapartner, or magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Kung ano oras naman ito panonoorin, narito na naman tayo sa next episode ng Kapartner Podcast. And today we have Sir Jong Medina in the house. Palakpakan naman dyan. Jong Medina, nakita ko sa Facebook, Jong TV. Yung pangalan ng Facebook page mo. Bakit Jong TV?
Actually, Jong TV is my name. Kasi, if you're familiar with Jong TV,
Yes.
he named me that.
Siya nagpangalan sa'yo?
He named
Bakit?
me that. It was 2019 or 2018, something that era. It's my vlogger era kasi sir. So,
Wow.
sobrang the hype of the vlog. Kasi, yan yung kasikatan ng mga vlogging sa Pilipinas. So, sobrang to the point na sobrang idol ko siya. I was living in Kamuning, Quezon City. Then parang ilang streets lang yung condo nila. Ginate crush
You
ko siya.
know where he's from, ha?
Yeah. So
Talagang
nakita ko siya.
Mm.
Then nakita ko siya sa condo nila. Then parang syempre as a fan, diba? Tapos sabi ko, then yan, parang casually nag-usap kami. Sabi niya, ano ulit pangalan mo? Sabi niya sa akin, Jong po. Uy, Jong TV.
Jong TV,
Then that's the root. So parang that time, parang sabi ko, sige na, ipagpatuloy ko na nga yung parang creating content.
Was that when you created the page na Jong TV?
Jong TV is actually it's my parang Instagram name. So parang Jong TV, it started that nung una kasi hesitant pa ako sa baka may mga sa akin, hindi mo kaya o ganyan. So parang sinasabi ko, may basbas ako, sige gawin ko na. Parang like couple of days or weeks lang. I did it like
And bash is cash.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
So,
Publicity
okay
is
lang.
publicity.
Yes,
right?
no?
So, yun
Ito na.
lang.
Here's a
Okay.
trivia, mga kapartner. Si Jong TV is one of the valued customers or dear customers of Global Dominion. Yan ang palakpakan nyo, mga kapartner. Diba? And the reason why we have him now in this episode is nakita ko yung video, one of the videos shown that actually ang dami namang testimonials of our customers that we see in public na shared on TikTok, shared on Facebook, but his video caught my attention kasi nakakatawa si Ma'am yata yung kumukuha ng video nung umpisa.
Yes.
Kasi Ma'am yun, gumagapang ka nung umpisa, so doon ako tawan-tawa may gumagapang, umuulan, tapos may nakapayong ka. Before we get to the story of yung about the video na yun, I want to know muna, paano ka naging customer ni Global Dominion? Paano ka nakipag-partner with Global
That's a very good question. So actually, in the first place, I am looking for a car. So, it started siguro, hindi pa ako talaga, hindi ko siya necessity. Kumbaga, if I have 10 of my needs, necessities na kailangan kong unahin, siguro yung necessity ko to have a car is like on the 9th or on the 10th, on the 10th list. So, parang, okay, sige, the next 3 years, 4 years, parang ganun pa. So, parang there's a time na, syempre, maulan na, season na, umuulan na, and also, since we are a videography team, kailangan namin ng gamit, hirap namin
Kailangan nyo talaga, no?
Yes po. Hirap namin minsan tinatanggihan kami ng mga sedan cars kasi it's either ang request.
Ang dami yung gamit din kasi.
Actually, yes. Tapos, parang to the point na sabi ko, kulang na to. Tinatanggihan na kami ng sedan. Tinatanggihan na kami ng mga mid-size SUV. So sabi ko, okay, sige, need ko na ng car. Ngayon, walang pera. Wala akong masyadong, sabi ko, paano to? Kailangan ko Yung to the point kasi na, ito kasi ang good thing kapag if there's something in your mind that you want to achieve, lagi mo siyang iniisip. To the point na, parang to the point na, unknowingly, na-search mo siya, parang sabi mo, ang galing parang nasa isip mo lang, lalabas na sa newsfeed mo sa internet, sa Facebook.
That's how powerful our minds are.
Yeah, so sabi ko, sige nga, hanap ako. Pero sabi ko, uy, sige, parang siguro every night for the past 2 months, as in nagtitingin ka. Tapos, there's this unit na caught my attention. So, interested ako, ganyan. Then, gulat ako, yung may-ari ng car na yon, yung nagbenta sa akin ng car is pagmamay-ari ng father niya. Which is yung nagmamay-ari ng car, girlfriend niya is a Global Dominion agent.
Oh,
Yeah.
sakto.
So, ganun siya. Sabi ko,
Doon ka na-connect kay
yeah,
Global
so
Dominion.
sabi ko, okay, sakto to. So, car loan, ganyan.
Mm.
Actually,
So, siya na yung nag-refer sa'yo sa
yes, siya
Global
na pa,
Dominion.
yes po siya.
Okay.
Yun na rin. So, ang dali na lang ng process namin. So, kumbaga okay, ganito ang price, ganito ang mga need mong ipasa, ganito. So, kumbaga yung winor kong time just to get all the things that I need from the papers, the documents na needed. It took me around siguro 3 to 4 weeks
Ganun lang.
before namin siya mailabas.
Oh.
So, kumbaga, halfway pa lang yung pera ko. Halfway pa lang yung pera ko, moving na siya. Ganun ako
Wow.
excited, sir. So, parang sabi ko, parang nagkataon talaga na sobrang sakto talaga na kung kailan ko na-reach yung target cash ko, which is ang naiwan lang saan na pera ko nung nilabas ko yung pera, parang 5,000 lang yan. Sapat lang yun, pangkain
At
ko
least
ng
may
sarili ko.
sasakyan.
At least meron. At least pogi.
Tama. Sige, agree tayo dyan. So, parang the universe is giving you the sign na, okay, this car is really for you.
Yes.
What was your reaction nung na-offer sa'yo si Global Dominion the first time? Sinabi mo, okay, kailangan ko ng sakyan and there's this car, pero parang kakailangan din ng financing.
Actually, wala po akong idea before kay Global Dominion. So, it just comes to the part na parang sabi ko, actually may mga nag-record saan na mga ibang financing, sabi ko, pero okay dito. Kasi una, yung seller ko, tsaka yung girlfriend niya, yun na rin, so hindi na ako
Familiar
mahirapan.
na doon.
Pangalawa, mababa yung parang monthly ko. So parang meron sila kasing unang price na binigay, which is that cost me higher. That will cost me higher every month.
So, pero yun sa Global Dominion financing, mas mababa.
Sabi ko, sige po, ito na lang ilalabas ko. Para medyo chill na lang ako for the months to for that next 3 years, sabi ko. Kaya
I don't think makakapag-chill ka. Because now that you have a car, mukhang marami ka nang mapagagamitan. Magiging hyperactive na yun.
Actually, kating-kati kami, sir. Yeah. So, kating-kati, parang bago ako matulog. Alam mo yun, yung I'm just scrolling to the internet. Saan ka pwede resort, beach, like.
Diba? Dahil yung pwedeng puntahan. Ano yung pinakamalayong na puntahan mo so far with that?
Mandaluyong. De, joke lang. Sana.
Wow!
Saan ka pinamalayo?
Baguio, nag-Baguio na, hindi pa.
Pinamalayo ko is Alabang.
Malapit-lapit na yan. I'd like to go back to your story kanina kasi you mentioned na hindi pa siya nasa top priority mo, yung pagkakaroon ng sasakyan. But considering na mukhang kakailangan yun dahil tinatanggihan na kayo ng Grab, ng mga TNC, no?
Yes.
Why was having a car not one of your priorities? Was it because of the kakailanganing pera to have one? More on that.
First of all, car is not a necessity for me kasi hindi ako marunong mag-drive before.
Okay.
Hindi ako marunong mag-drive. Pangalawa is hindi ko siya, kasi gusto ko when I go to location, parang I cannot sacrifice a time to drive, to prepare, to gas up. So parang gusto ko, okay, gusto ko lang ng Grab, gusto ko ng upo lang ako.
Para makapagpahinga ka.
Makatulog lang ako pagdating ko sa lugar, okay, the work begins. So parang sabi ko, I am a commuter kasi, so parang nasanay ako na parang I wanted to, the people are doing for me, na parang they are driving for me, they are directing me. So parang, since naging priority ko siya, kasi if ika-calculate ko yung monthly na yung monthly cost ko for the Grab, for the transportation, it would cost me almost 70% of what
Ang lapit na dun sa monthly installment, dun sa monthly amortization.
Yes, actually, sir. Yun yung naging reason. Sabi ko, nga, no? Tapos sinabi rin sa akin nung nagbenta sa akin nga, parang ganun lang yun, sir, eh.
Oo nga.
Pero, imagine mo yung 30% mo, iaalat mo yun, may kotse ka pa.
Sa'yo na yung sasakyan.
Akin na yun. So,
diba? May property ka na, may kotse ka na.
Parang it give you an idea na, okay, sige, 3 steps ahead ako, sige na, bibigin ko na, parang ganun.
Mga kapartner, hindi yun, hindi lang based on feelings yun, ha? It made sense. It was coming from a logical sense of thinking ni Jong TV na yung kinumpit niya nga yung pamasahe niya, yung transpo niya per
Yeah.
month versus the monthly amortization, halos magkadikit na.
Mm.
So why not have your own car na nga, di ba?
Yes,
Pero
yes,
nabanggit mo
yes.
kanina, hindi ka marunong mag-drive. Ngayon, marunong ka na.
Yes, marunong na po.
Nag-practice ka bago ka kumuha ng
Yes,
sakyan
po.
or after?
May license na rin.
May license na rin. Pero ikaw ba nagda-drive ngayon?
Yes, ako po nagdadrive.
Ah, yes. O yun, palakpakan nyo rin yun. Licensed driver. Yan. O, hindi na papagod ka na lalo ngayon. Kasi nagda-drive ka na rin. Or madali lang pala, realized.
Di matulog na maaga na lang. Medyo.
Patulog na lang sa bahay bago magpahinga ka agad.
Yes.
No? How is the business doing now? Kasi I know you're
Yeah.
do big videography.
Videography. Okay. So actually yun din yung naging isang reason. Kasi during sa aming field, sa aming industry, photography, videography, and creative industry, when the month of September hits, yan na yan. Tulog mo na lang dyan. Smerte ka na may 6 na oras na tulog ka isang araw.
Pwede gamit na gamit yung sasakyan
Yes,
pala ngayon.
actually, sir, gamit na gamit. Today, 1 month ago, ngayon, nakaano na kami, 1,000 kilometers na.
Wow.
So, ganun siya gamit na gamit.
Gamit na gamit.
Yeah, so, nakapag-clerk na kami pero hindi ako nag-drive. So, parang ganun. So, kasi ang business po ngayon is, lalo na sa industry natin, sobrang lakas ng demand ng digital platform. Example, ngayon,
correct.
diba, podcast. Diba?
Correct,
So,
correct.
so sobrang grabe yung demand ng media. Sobrang taas ng demand ng internet, social media to reach the people on their phone screen. So sobrang lakas ng demand rin namin. Kinukuha kami dito, like kumbaga ngayong weekend nandito ka sa northern part of the Philippines, kinabukasan na sa southern part ka naman. So parang nakakapagod siya, at the same time masaya siya kasi you're enjoying it. So that's the business naman, yun yung maganda sa business, yung parang you are earning, at the same time you're enjoying.
So you love what you do.
Yes,
Kumikita ka pa.
precisely.
Pero was
Yes, po.
videography or photography something that's first in your interest talaga when you were
Yes
younger?
po, actually, yes po. It's like, siguro, we are in the field for almost 7 years. Well, small time pa lang yung 7 years, pero yung mga mainstream na like corporate, we've done like before pandemic. So parang ngayon we consider ourselves parang baguhan pa lang kami sa market. Kasi mahirap ang ano sa market ngayon, ang labanan sa market. Sobrang dense lalo dito sa Metro Manila.
Correct.
So
But you're open to customers or clients
yes.
in provinces,
Yes,
no? Kahit saang area.
Yeah, actually I am from, ayun pa, dagdag pa pala yun. I am from Isabela kasi.
Ang layo.
So, minsan kapag peak season, during the Christmas or so ang hirap makasakay, ang hirap
ka rito.
Yeah, so ayun po, instead of coming from point A to point B, so I have the easier access to go to my hometown, to go to the Metro Manila which I am working. So ayun po.
And yung mga equipment nyo ngayon, kasya na dun sa sakyang na.
Yes, kasya na po.
Wow. How can our partners reach out to you for photography and videography services?
On my Facebook account, so Jong Medina Films. On my Facebook, Jong Medina, or pwede na sa Instagram, Jong_TV.
So you can just message you right there. So if you have mga ganun po kayong needs, I don't know kung may time pa si Jong TV. Kasi sinabi niya, punong-puno na raw yung mga September, October, November, December. Pwede pa silang makasingit. O baka magpa-advance booking na sila sa iyo for next year. Jong, ano ang hashtag pwede pala story mo? Ano yung
hashtag?
Not necessarily about the car itself, but in your life, no?
Hashtag
ano masabi mo?
Pwede pala.
Ngayon, bigla mo naisip na, hashtag pwede pala to.
Hashtag pwede pala to. At the young age, pwede mo palang ma-reach yung mga bagay na pinapangarap mo. If you mix it with hard work, with some sort of creative thinking, and lastly, ipimix mo siya ng being the real you. So parang, pang-apat, dagdagan ko.
Sige, dagdagan ko.
And how you treat people.
Yeah, that's key, no?
That's
Palagi natin
always
naririnig
the
yan. If you don't mind me asking, how old are you?
Sure, 22 po.
Oo nga. Oh my God, sobrang bata.
Yes po.
Bata pa nga siya.
Fresh graduate.
Bakit 7 years ka na in the industry?
It started when I'm...
Nag-aaral pa lang?
Yes, nag-aaral po ako. So, I am a scholar of ABS-CBN. Yeah. Before...
Baka may dala ka resume dyan, iwan mo na
Ay,
dito. And then, Marcom ka pa.
Ah,
Ito naman, next question. Sino
Yes,
naman ang maituturing mong naging kapartner mo sa pag-angat?
yeah.
Nice. Aside from Global Dominion, naging kapartner mo dun sa sasakyan.
Parang kapartner.
Kapartner mo sa pag-angat. It could be
Yun,
someone who helped you.
Come here.
Nice.
Yeah.
Si
Yung
ma'am.
actually, yung girlfriend ko po kasi,
Okay.
she's the photographer.
Mm-mm.
So, I am the videographer, she's the photographer. So, whenever kung saan man kami mapadpad na lugar, at least we are hitting the business side of photography and videography. So, kumbaga, hati
Covered
kami.
yun na parehas.
Yes po.
So, through thick and thin.
Mhm.
Mula nung 7 years ago pa kasama mo na siya.
Before pandemic, so 4 years.
So
Almost
bago-bago.
5 years na.
So, iba yung kasama mo before.
Ay, grabe.
Biro lang. So, Jong TV, baka you
Yes
have a
po.
message to our audience, sa mga kapartners natin, na pwede rin baka ma-inspire din sa kwento mo na pwede palang magkaroon ng ganitong sakyan, pwede palang you can put up your own business at a very young age. Anong masasabi mo sa kanila?
So, the business, sobrang lawak kasi kapag sinabi mong usapang business kasi if people are thinking na once you put up the business, yayaman ka,
Correct.
kikita ka. So it's not that, kumbaga there are so many potholes on the road. So
Mahirap yun,
yeah,
no?
so parang hindi mo sure if you'll gain this. It's not an overnight process to para makaipon, to put up a business, to make a successful business, no, to inanot ko a successful business. So just try everything. Ang goal ko kasi lagi, if I want to reach something, I print a photo or I save something on my phone. Kasi sabi nila, the more you think of the thing in your mind, and you have a clear image ng bagay na gusto mong makamit,
Visualize mo.
you are about to get that goal sa lalong mas madaling panahon. So, ayun, another thing is, gaano man nila ka-cliche na sabihin, is never stop reaching it. There are so many potholes on the road, but it's better to learn. Mas maganda kasi kapag if you fail, you learn. Kasi
Madadala ka na talaga doon.
people think that the opposite of success is fail. But no, the opposite of the fail is part of success. It's not the opposite.
Agree.
So, yun yung sa mindset ko. So, parang, okay, sige, it's okay for you to fail. Tayo ka lang, smile din, go forward. Okay.
Yes.
So yun. So, just keep on doing it, learn, and learn.
Tayo ka lang. No pun intended, katulad ng ginawa niya dun sa viral video na gumapang siya. Tapos tumayo siya. Ayan. O, ready na ba yung printer natin? Gusto ko mag-print ng 1 million pesos na cash. Paki-send sa printer kasi when we print daw, mas closer daw na mangyari. So,
Grabe.
paki-print na po yung 1 milyong piso. Maraming salamat, Jong TV, Sir Jong Medina, and to our audience, so mga kapartners natin, please be inspired with his story. Follow niyo siya sa kanyang IG and Facebook, mga social media accounts, Jong TV, Jong Medina, hanapin niyo po siya. Nandun yung viral kwento niya of his mga recent success niya in life, which is included na doon yung kwento niya sa Global Dominion kung saan siya nakakuha nung kanyang bagong sasakyan. Again, with the help of Global Dominion, ng kanyang kapartner sa pag-angat. Maraming salamat ulit, Sir Jong. Yan. At palakpakan natin si Sir. Palakpakan. Thank you for inspiring us with your story.